The all-new 2026 Subaru Crosstrek Hybrid. Here's everything you need to know. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we bring you the hottest car news and deep dive reviews. Today we're talking about the all-new 2026 Subaru Crosstrek Hybrid, the electrified compact SUV that's here to shake up the hybrid game. If you're a fan of all-weather capability, off-road prowess, and cutting-edge tech, this one's for you. Let's jump right in. Next-generation hybrid powertrain. Alright, folks. The heart of the new Crosstrek Hybrid is Subaru's latest series parallel hybrid system, and it's packing some serious upgrades. You get a 2.5-liter Subaru BOXER engine paired with electric motors and a Lineartronic CVT transmission, producing a combined 194 horsepower. Subaru made sure the hybrid doesn't lose its off-road DNA, and trust me, with Symmetrical All-Wheel Drive, X mode, and 8.7 inches of ground clearance, this thing will take on mud, snow, and rocky trails like a champ. Subaru also added a 1.1 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery, which gives it an edge in efficiency compared to its non-hybrid cousins. And whether you're navigating city streets or dirt paths, the hybrid powertrain transitions seamlessly between gas, electric, or both for maximum performance and efficiency. Safety? Top tier as always. Subaru doesn't mess around when it comes to safety, and the Crosstrek Hybrid is no exception. It's equipped with the latest EyeSight driver assist technology. The system now features improved field of view and response times, enhanced cyclist and pedestrian detection, emergency stop assist, which pulls over and calls for help if the driver becomes unresponsive. You also get available features like reverse automatic braking, blind spot detection, and rear cross traffic alert to keep you out of trouble in the parking lot. Interior and infotainment. Step inside and it's pure tech paradise. The highlight here is the tablet-style 11.6-inch Subaru multimedia system with a full-screen display, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Oh, and let's not forget the optional 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster for all your crucial driving data. Standard features include Bluetooth hands-free connectivity, SiriusXM all-access radio with 4 months of platinum access, HD radio, over-the-air updates for that up-to-date feel. And it's not just functional, it looks the part too. Subaru debuts 2 exclusive colors, Sand Dune Pearl and the bold Citron Yellow Pearl, paired with sleek 18-inch dark gray alloy wheels to really set this model apart. Classic Subaru capability. Here's what sets the Crosstrek Hybrid apart from other hybrids in the market. It doesn't sacrifice capability for efficiency. The Symmetrical All-Wheel Drive is mechanically coupled for superb traction, and hill descent control adds even more confidence off the beaten path. If you're looking for a compact hybrid that's equally at home on rocky trails as it is in your driveway, Subaru just raised the bar. Pricing and availability. Now, we're still waiting on the pricing and detailed specs, but Subaru confirmed the Crosstrek Hybrid will hit dealerships nationwide in fall 2025. If their hybrid pricing trends continue, we're expecting this to slot in at a competitive price point while offering all the bells and whistles. Final thoughts. So, what do you think of the 2026 Subaru Crosstrek Hybrid? Whether you're into the adventure-ready design, the latest tech, or the promise of eco-friendly efficiency, this SUV has something for everyone. Drop a comment below. Is this the hybrid SUV of the future? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our hands-on test drive of this beauty when it hits the roads next year. Until next time, keep adventuring.